Black Forest cake is a classic and indulgent dessert that is loved by cake enthusiasts around the world. This delightful treat features layers of rich chocolate sponge cake, luscious whipped cream, and juicy cherries, creating a heavenly combination of flavors and textures. To make a Black Forest cake, we start by baking layers of chocolate sponge cake. The cake is made with a blend of cocoa powder, flour, sugar, eggs, and butter, resulting in a moist and chocolatey base. Once the cakes have cooled, they are sliced horizontally into 2 or 3 layers, depending on the desired height of the cake. Each layer is then soaked with a cherry syrup or cherry liqueur, adding a burst of cherry flavor and keeping the cake moist. Next comes the assembly of the cake. A generous amount of whipped cream is spread on each layer, followed by a scattering of fresh or canned cherries. The whipped cream adds a light and airy texture to the cake, while the cherries provide a delightful sweetness and tartness. The cake layers are stacked on top of each other, and the sides and top of the cake are coated with more whipped cream. The sides of the cake are then adorned with chocolate shavings or curls, adding a touch of elegance and a rich chocolatey flavor. For the final touch, a few cherries are placed on top of the cake, creating a stunning and inviting presentation. Black Forest cake is a showstopper at any celebration or special occasion. Its exquisite taste and beautiful appearance make it a favorite for birthdays, anniversaries, and holidays. Whether you're a chocolate lover or a fan of cherries, Black Forest cake offers the best of both worlds. Its harmonious blend of flavors and its creamy and moist texture make it an unforgettable dessert that will leave you craving for more. So, treat yourself and your loved ones to the indulgence of Black Forest cake. Let its rich chocolate, velvety whipped cream, and juicy cherries transport you to a world of sweet delight. Whether you're celebrating a special moment or simply satisfying your sweet tooth, Black Forest cake is sure to captivate your taste buds and create lasting memories.